A big brand came to me to help them decide if they should keep their agency or not. They came to me with a great analytics report with 40 pages full of stats, and we started reading all these stats. This report had all their actions in AdWords, in Facebook Organic, Instagram, all they did for this company. It was a great report, but not a useful one. So after 15 minutes that we were looking at this report, I just told them, find your conversions, the number of conversions per month, find your spending per month, divide them, find the cost per action, and then decide if this cost per action is increasing or decreasing, and if this cost per action is good for your company or not. So if it's not, then change your agency. So simple, so simple.